the children are recalling the concepts. Lincoln story, please.
Hi, happy greetings. I am Rani Navyashi Devan, grade 4A, studying in Acharya Bal Shiksha Mandir, IT Chimman campus, staying IT. Now I am going to tell the pictograph of lesson 1, the 7 life process. Elephant, table, snake, bird, beetle, pen. The 7 life process. A girl is breathing. A boy is eating vegetables. Two people are running. A mother having the baby. A boy touched the eyes. Excretion picture. Lungs, stomata, amoeba, earthworm, tadpole, fish, elephant, insect, frog. A boy is eating milk, fruits and vegetables. Photosynthesis process. Insectivorous plant. A deer is eating grass. A tiger is eating animal meat. Baby to adult age. Seed to tree germination. Eggs, tadpole, tadpole with 4 legs, froglet, adult frog. Movement. A man is walking. Tree shows movement. Ape, beetle, bird. Crow, cat, deer. Crow, cat, dog. Elephant, eagle, frog. Horse, monkey, parrot, pigeon, bull, goose. A boy is touching eyes. Touch me not, plant. Millipede curves its body. A mother having her baby. Plant seed germination. Cow, elephant, dog, cat, ostrich, hen, turtle, ostrich. Reproduction in animals. Donkey, bunny, bear. Donkey, bunny, bear. Excretion. Human sweat face. Leaf pic. Oh yeah. Leaf picture. Excretion in animals picture. Thank you. Love you all. Oh yeah.
Very good, super. She is able to tell all the pictures in the science book and all other books. Right. Okay. Now we are going to see the super